guys, every day is a fun day and keep smiling. Today I'm going to tell you a riddle. Well, I have a head and a tail, but no body. I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is a coin. Head, tails, no body. And anyway, today we're going to be doing scissor crafts again. Last time we did the sun and the pizza. Today we're going to do the apple tree. Cut green rectangular strips and tree trunk from the back of the book. Fold the green strips and paste them from the ends to make rings. Paste the tree trunk and rings on the tree with glue. We cut this out. Now we have to cut all the strips of red out. Since we cut all the red strips, we have to shape them into rings. Before that, we have to cut the tree trunk. Cut the trunk. We're done with the tree trunk. Now let's shape the rings.
What mountain there is?
Now let's shape the rings. Take out the glue cap. Add some glue here. This is my ring. I'm just cutting the excess. Now let's stick the apples. In the daytime, I'm marionette, and in the night, I'm an insect. Step 1, put on a tiny mask. Step 2, now you are in the sky. Step 3, oh no, she's just a friend. Miraculous, simply the best. Adrian is a zip and he's got more apples. Now it's time to stick the trunk. The enormous trunk. apple tree is done. So I hope you enjoyed this apple tree oak trunk video. Give it a big thumbs up, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Ding 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 ding. Bye guys. Blow it up.